안녕하세요. 여기는 암보셀리라는 케냐의 공원이고요. 새벽에 산책하려고 나왔습니다. 지금 요 오두막처럼 생긴 곳이 어저께 잠을 잔 곳입니다. 아침에 이쪽 근처 산책해 보려고 나왔고요. 캠프 관리하시는 분과 같이 산책하기로 했는데 잘 한번 구경해 보겠습니다. Which one? This one is a Kibo.
Kibo is the highest one, but Kibo, it's a dormant volcano. Anytime.
It's alive.
Yeah. Kilimanjaro, okay, like Kilima, it's a Swahili word meaning mountain.
Kilima is a mountain. In
And Jaro,
Jaro?
it's a slang word in Kenya for the game of hide and seek. You know that game? Hide and seek? Where one person just goes to hide so that you can look for them. For you.
Yeah.
Exactly.
술래잡기. Yes, we also have the same one, but we call it different name.
Okay, yeah. And the thing is that Kilima, mountain, Jaro, it's a slang for hide and seek. Hide and seek.
Because of the cloud?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So cute.
와. 그냥 뒤에 봐봐.
But I guess you guys are lucky because you've seen his corn, and I hope you'll see Kibo too.
We're so happy with this.
Yeah.
아침에 해가 뜨고 있습니다. 뒤에는 킬리만자로 산이 보이고, 물론 아침이라서 대부분 아침은 산이 구름에 가려져 있어서 정상이 완전히 보이진 않는데요. 오늘 같이 동행하시는 분은 두 분 이렇게 같이 마사이 여기 로드 워킹 같이 걸어가고 있습니다. 토마토 농사를 짓고 있는.
And now the Maasai women and men, most of them, some of them, will provide labor to the farms. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. To protect people living inside from elephants.
이게 코끼리를 들어오는 걸 막기 위해서 요 전선 보이나요? 이 전선에 전기를 통하게 한대요. 그래서 여기에 좀 약간 사람 키 높이 정도로까지 돼 있는 요 전선에 전기가 통해서 코끼리가 못 들어오도록 하게 한다고 하네요.
Really, people are really attacked by wild animals. Yeah.
마사이 분들은 야생동물이 만약에 그 마사이 분들 이제 뭐 건드리거나 어떤 접촉이 있으면은 마사이 분들 가족이나 본인에게 어떤 안 좋은 일이 생길 거라는 그런 믿음을 가지고 계시대요. 그런 얘기를 좀 해주셨어요. 그리고 이 주변에는 대부분 지금 농장이고요. 뭐 토마토라든지 이런 거 농사를 짓고 계신다고 합니다. 근데 모든 땅을 농사 짓는 건 아니고 또 상당 부분은 그 가축을 키워야 되기 때문에 또 가축을 키우는 부분으로 쓰고 있다고 하시네요. 지금 해 뜨는 상황에서 걸으니까 되게 상쾌하고 그래요. 좋습니다. 근데 여기 와서 느낀 거는 새가 이쁜 새가 너무 많아.
새마저도 컬러풀해.
새가 진짜 컬러풀해요.
All of them, like some do speak English and Swahili, but some others, like the old ones, they don't know English nor Swahili. They just know Maasai language.
So Maasai also have their own languages.
Yeah, called Maasai.
Called Maasai. I see.
Now these are the Asian houses for the Maasai people. But now you can see people are trying to be modern because some are going to school and maybe going to the big cities, and they see how people in the big cities have built their house, so they come and do that into their village. So you can see they are trying to adapt to the. Now you can see that old man over here. Now that one doesn't know English, doesn't know Swahili, only Maasai. Yeah, but now he has kids who have gone to school, who have even managed to buy a car. Yeah. So their kids are trying to change the old ways that they were using before. Where is the
Amboseli meaning salty and dusty. 화산 폭발로 이런 화산재들이 많아져서 여기가 이제 암보셀리가 마사이어로 salty, 짜고 dusty, 먼지 많은 그런 곳이라고 하네요.
Yeah, because I've seen most of Koreans and Chinese, they always come to just see this famous Kilimanjaro. You know, they'll tell, I even don't want to walk. I just want to see this mountain. I'm like, okay. Yeah. You know, I came all this way to come and see this mountain and it's playing hide and seek with me. No, I don't want that. But now you can see the weather is not perfect on Tanzanian side. Because can you see the clouds where they are down there?
Yeah.
No, that's Kenyan side. So maybe when the sun is maybe bright during the day, you'll be able to see it.
아카시아 나무. 이게 아카시아구나.
And birds loves.
야, 그 아카시아에 근데 새 집이 진짜 새 둥지가 엄청 많아요. Yes, Amy. Yeah, you told us previously Amboseli means salty and dusty here. I understand it's gonna be dusty because of the eruption, but why is it salty?
Salty? I don't know why it's salty, but you know, like in fact, some parts of Kenya, we experience some places where everything is just salty, including the water.
Oh, including the water. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So the water is salty, kind of salty.
Okay, so we don't know the reason, but anyway, it's quite a lot of things here is quite salty and dusty. That is why they call it Amboseli. Okay, that's cool. Thank you. 한 10피트 정도만 이렇게 땅을 파면은 물이 나온대요. 네. 파밍 하기에, 농작물 키우기에 또 좋은 환경이라고 하네요. 저 아카시아 가시가 많아서 동물이나 그런 것들로부터 재산을 보호하기 위한 용도로 집에 담장이나 울타리 같은 걸로 쓴다고 합니다. 저 좀 전에 이제 지나가다 가시 덩굴 같은 게 좀 있었거든요. 저 멀리 얼룩말이 지나가고 있는데요. 그냥 사람 지나다니는 곳에 막 얼룩말들 막 다니고 있어요, 저기. Which animal you like?
I guess I don't know. All of them, but yeah.
네, 엘리펀트 좋아하고 지라프 좋아한다.
They are the mountains, you know.
이거? 엘리펀트.
Elephant's poop.
엘리펀트 푸. 코끼리똥.
Oh, scary.
Wow.
Very huge.
Yeah, very huge.
엄청 크네.
진짜 크다.
지금 저희가 걷는 곳이 한 3월 정도에는 이곳이 이제 물이 있어서 코끼리나 동물들이 꽤 이곳을 찾는다고 합니다. 저 멀리에는 지금 톰슨 가젤들이 되게 많아요. 저 멀리에 코끼리도 있습니다. 얼룩말도 있고.
Or watching in Kenya it's illegal, but in my place, it's not. Even if you're in Kenya, in my place we do like go deep down to the forest because we dip to the forest and hunt them. Very sweet. Very sweet.
Very sweet.
Very sweet.
톰슨 가젤이 엄청 맛있다고.
You can't sell the gazel.
In the market?
No.
No. How many people can eat one eating gazel?
It will depend. If you are meat lover, then you know you can even chew their bones because they are very soft.
chew their
Bones.
Yeah, you can chew the bones.
오.
The best thing that you can do is boil it,
Yeah.
and then dry it with give it a deep fry.
삶은 다음에 튀기는 거. 그러시네요. 원래는 불법인데 다들 많이 그렇게들 하신대요. 생각보다 동물들이 꽤 있어요. 적지 않아. 코끼리 발자국이 이렇게 나 있어서
엘리펀트 우리에게 보여줘야 하겠다는 강박관념이 좀 있으신 것 같아요.
꼭
자꾸 강조해.
그치.
여기 지나갔고 저기 보이고 좀 전에 계속 엘리펀트.
저 남자분은 코끼리 제일 좋아한다 그랬어요. 동물.
얼룩말을 좀 좋아하기도.
줄록말이 귀엽지. 특히 꼬랑지 살랑살랑 걸으면서 걸어가는 게 귀엽지.
경쾌하고.
되게 흔한 동물인데 엄청 귀여워.
They are harmless. Zebras, giraffes, wild beasts.
Oh, never harmless. I like people.
But elephant, lion,
Elephant, very aggressive.
very aggressive.
Yeah, this is Pumba's home.
이게 거기.
But this is small.
이게 그 돼지, 그 품바가 사는, 품바의 집이랍니다. 이런 굴에서 사는구나. What's that? What's that? A snake?
No.
우스야, 우스님.
It's a millipede. It eats soil.
But it dead?
Yeah, it can eat this. Yeah, pumbas eats this. When we were kids, we could to poo. This is the poop.
What is it? poop. 와우. 저걸 이렇게 대면은 얘가 똥을 싼대요. So, once we touch him, he's pooping.
Yeah, he poops and then coils himself. So that means he's in danger. So he'll just coil himself. And
약간 위험을 느끼면은 이렇게 똥을 싸고 이렇게 몸을 감싼다고 합니다.
sleep all day. The elephants are way more dangerous than the lions.
Even than lions.
In all the other jungles, we just say lion is the king of the jungle. But here, the elephants are the king of the jungle.
I see.
They used to before, and then now it was restricted. There's no poaching in Kenya, so poaching is illegal. So no more poaching.
Is Pumba also attacking people? Is it aggressive?
No.
No? Okay.
Actually, when the pumba sees you, it will start running away. First, it will be like, okay, who are you? It will come, and then when you're here and it's there, and then like it will realize, oh, it's a person, and it will start running. You know, I do call them the pumbas. I do see them as stupid, you know, because the pumba will see a lion lying here, trying to watch maybe some gazelles and everything. But now the pumba will just come close to where the lion is. To just come close, and then it will notice, oh, so this is a lion. Then it will start running. You know.
Okay.
Dog beetle.
쇳덩구리.
They roll.
Yeah.
Yeah, the cow.
쇳덩구리.
Call them the dog beetle. Now
Yeah,
they
yeah,
roll, they mold.
Or lilac something?
It's a feather from a bird. I don't know which
Wow.
bird is the
Finally, we
first
get
to
a
carry that.
feeder.
Oh yeah, I like it. Can I keep this one?
Yeah, sure.
For souvenir.
Yeah.
So here you also have the rainy season and dry season.
Actually,
No.
no.
No. Okay.
Because yeah, sometimes we do have rain seasons.
Mm.
Okay, like we do expect rains from March, April, and
March,
from,
April.
and then from November to December.
November to December.
But now, like we had like stayed for 2.5 years
2.5 years
without rain.
without rain.
Without rain in this place. Now you can imagine how dry it was. What these animals feed on,
Yeah.
you know?
2년 반 동안 비가 안 온 적이 있었대요.
I really felt bad because some animals really died.
Oh,
It's from
What tree?
Kilimanjaro.
oh, from
Yeah.
Kilimanjaro.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a
your father gave you
Yeah.
for the present or
mahogany.
Present.
mahogany.
Mahogany
So
from
it's brother.
and where we can get this mahogany trees, they're just in Tanzania.
mahogany trees in Tanzania,
Yeah,
in Kilimanjaro.
around Kilimanjaro because it's very cold. So mahogany grows from that place.
And looks very solid and strong. So every time where you go, you bring this one. Oh,
This buffalo.
아버지가 주신 거래요, 선물로. 네.
And the acacia.
마호가니 나무로 만든.
Yeah.
오, 이게 칼이 있어. 오,
There it is.
오, 오. Can you show me?
Yeah.
와우.
They always prepared.
아, 칼과 이 막대기를 꼭 가지고 다니시네. 네, 기린 발자국이라고 하네요.
Some eggs, I know. Niza?
새알.
Belongs to a certain bird.
지금은 코끼리들이 저쪽 암보셀리 공원 쪽으로 뭐 사자를 저쪽에 밀림의 왕이다 이렇게 얘기하지만 이곳 암보셀리에서는 코끼리가 제일 위험하다고, 코끼리가 킹이라고 그런 얘기도 아까 해주셨네요. Only one I know is a jumbo.
Oh, you only know jumbo?
You can give me one more.
Okay. Kwaheri.
Kwaheri?
Bye.
Bye bye. Kwaheri?
Kwaheri.
Jumbo is hi.
Jumbo, hi.
Oh.
Karibu.
Karibu.
Welcome.
Welcome. Karibu.
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 Chakula.
Chakula.
Food.
Food. Food. Chakula.
Chakula.
What was Ubuntu?
Sorry?
No, nothing. Karibu. Chakula.
Maji.
Maji.
Water.
Water. Maji.
Maji.
What's that? I love you.
I love it. Nakupenda.
Nakupenda. Nakupenda. I know one African song.
Okay.
Malaika.
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 Okay.
Uh.
Wow. Malaika is an angel.
Angel.
Malaika.
Malaika.
So you know it?
Malaika.
Nakupenda
Malaika.
Oh, wow. That's nice. Yeah. So the Malaika song, it's from an artist from where I come from, and I come from the coastal region.
Okay.
Yeah. So we do listen more to Swahili songs because most of the people who live there, they are Swahili people.
Okay.
Feeding time, breakfast time. Oh, it's a she with a beard. Yes, yeah. The beard. Oh yeah, beard. Yeah, so we're able to see people, can see the clouds are clearing up just at the top.
What is this?
This plant, we use it like you can use it like it's a traditional method of keeping mosquitoes away.
Keeping mosquitoes away.
And people use it to cleanse. Now the priest uses this to cleanse the church,
Cleanse.
so it can drive away bad spirits.
냄새가 좋은데? It smells good. What is the name of this one?
No, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay.
Yeah, but I just know it in my language, so
It's okay, your language.
I Google it in language.
Just give me your language.
We call it muta.
Muta. The Swahili?
I don't know.
Okay.
It's kind of not a Swahili word, but I don't know, something mixed with Swahili and
Masai?
Kamba.
캄바. 킬리만자로 산이 거의 정상으로가 거의 보입니다. 아침이라 좀 되는 것 같아요.